how's everyone doing? We're out on the streets in Brisbane getting some night shots going. But yeah, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you enjoy the content I'm putting out, and if you do, consider subscribing and liking the video. Ooh, that might be a nice one. Hold on. Let's get it. Yeah, that's good. I think if we turn around, we can get a shot right in the middle. Something like that. Alright, I'll take you to this sixth spot. There's this bridge that's going over the river. This area looks quite nice as well. You get like portraits of someone. As I don't have a subject, I'm gonna use this scooter. Although it is pretty dangerous here, because as you can see, I'll show you, there's a bike lane in the middle. Unless you want to get hit, you have to be really careful here. Let's get a shot of that dude riding the thing. Boom. Do I have the steady shot on? Okay, yeah, I do. Cross the road. Look at that one right there. Now we're talking. Your landscape. I'm just gonna check if there's too much noise. No, I think we're all good. Let's snap a couple. You can't see even. I have to hold it like that. Let's get up here. I do have my 35 in the bag. It's a bit too dark. Let's do it. Although f2.8 would be better for shooting low light, I do prefer the f4 7200 because it's lighter. And if the setup is lighter, you don't have to carry around that much weight. And you know what? I think I might swap to 35mm. I think it's gonna be better. Yeah, I think let's do the swap. The setup is much smaller, but as this one is 2.8, it gets in more light and it's better for the night time. Let's take a shortcut from here. You know what? I think we can actually climb back up here. Oh, now we're talking. Let's get a shot of the bridge thingy there. Let's do. I think I walked through like a spider web or something. This is looking fucking amazing. Oh shit, that looks good. Let's get a couple more. Sorry that you can't see anything. Also, a pro tip: don't put the lens in the water. You can't even see anything. Let's get a landscape one so you can actually see what I'm doing up here. Okay, let's keep going. But yeah, I've gotten a lot of questions about if it feels weird going around talking to myself, and I assure you it does feel weird, but that's the beauty of pushing yourself. and just getting out there and shooting. And I can assure you, no one gives a shit about what you're doing, because everyone's so busy with their own problems. You might get a couple of weird looks talking by yourself, but these people will forget you in like seconds, because everyone's got their own shit to do. That looks pretty sick actually. Let's get a shot from here. Oh shit, what is this here? I've never noticed it here. That looks sick actually. Let's go. Let's get a shot of it. It's a bit too dark. Ooh, that looks good. Holy shit, look at that guy. I mean, that is a lot of hands. Boom. Make sure you tap the bell notification. You see what I did there? These are gonna look so freaking good. That's gonna make a good what do you call it now? Wallpaper. It's a bit overexposed though. An elevator. Oh, that's convenient. Anyways, cue the elevator music.
Lower level. Reach level.
Check this out. Eesh, that looks cool. Let's get out the bendy tripod. To be honest, this bendy tripod thing is really awesome. Alright, so we finished filming our time lapse, and I just discovered that I'm an idiot, because since I swapped from the f4.0, I didn't move the f-stop, and it didn't move automatically for some reason. Usually it does, you can see here. So I shot all of these shots in f4.0, although I had 2.8 lens. Hold on, I have to get the settings right again. Let's take a couple of shots from the other side too. I'm not tall enough so you can see over it. Well, actually I am. That's nice. Boom. But yeah, like I said, no one really cares what you're doing. Like, I mean, from the charger point of view. And you shouldn't really care what other people think. Because there's always going to be people who are going to tell you that you're not good enough for this, you're doing blah blah blah. But in reality, these people, you know, they're no one to you. So, and even if they are someone to you, then cut them out of your life because you don't need people like that. Ooh, Popo. But yeah, to everyone who's watching this, go dedicate time from your day to do your own thing. Because for a long time I thought that people care what I'm doing, and I posted photos that I thought that people are gonna like. But once you start doing it for yourself, then you see the actual growth. What the fuck? There's a possum. Holy shit, you guys can't see. Literally a wild possum right there. I thought it was a cat. What the fuck? Mr. Possum, what are you doing? I thought it was a cat and I was already like, you know, come here. Kitty kitty. There's a fucking possum. Stay away from possums. They might look nice, but all they want is your wallet. Get one from the middle here. Sheesh. Straight lines. No, I've taken too many photos. Ooh, ambulance. So shot from here. Okay, now let's wait for another bus to come by. Where are the buses when you need them? Oh, there's one coming. Just get ready. Yeah, that's cool. Let's get one more. Sheesh. Oh no, I missed the boat. Well, I guess you can't have everything. Let's get the ISO back up. We're slowly getting towards the inner city again. But to be honest, it's not that busy today. I thought it's gonna be busier. So let's lower our shutter speed, lower ISO. Oh, crossy road, crossy road. Oh, check out this straight line. Oh shit, that's a cool place. Honestly, we're almost back where we started. We did like a whole circle, but we're gonna go across the road. I have like hundreds of photos of this same building, or actually like a building site. These lights make it look crazy good. This just looks too good. I have to get the line straight, of course. So let's get in the middle. Oh, that looks awesome. That's fucking sick. Let's do one where we zoom in a bit. Well, actually I'm not zooming in, I'm cropping the sensor. I'm going from full frame to APS-C if I press the button. Ooh, look at that. Eesh, what the fuck? That is cool. Holy shit, check this out. Get me over the road. You know, I like this industrial theme. Oh, we can see the wheel from here. Get me off the road, please. I think I have to push it. Oh. No, that's awesome. Just look at this. This is just crazy. Just point, literally just point anywhere. I'll show you. Point there, take a shot. Point there, oh shit. Point there, take a shot. Point up there, take a shot. All of these are gonna look good. I think I'm gonna go off the road and hope that I don't die. I made it, yo. Give way to the biking people. Ooh. Journey on kind, nope. Okay, like for example, take a look at that. That's fucking amazing. I think I need to go this way. Let's say like this. But yeah, like you said before, whoever you are, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, keep doing your own thing. Even if you don't think it's possible, I can assure you it is. Just put in the time, and the best advice I can give you is don't work hard, work smart. So just work around things. You don't have to put in extra hard work. You just have to do things smart. That's how it is. That's the truth. And if there's anyone out there who thinks I can help them or has some extra specific questions about photography, then don't be afraid to reach out. I'll definitely help you. I'll help you the best I can, or at least I can guide you somewhere. This spot here would look sick for a portrait. I'll show you. So you get someone standing there. Ooh, I have to come back here. Yeah, that looks really good. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think of these POV type of videos. Oh shit, look, a rave. A pre-rave. Oh, check this out. It's a bit too bright. And there's the Brisbane, whatever it's called, bridge that lights up in different colors. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna be signing out here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do leave a like rating and turn on the bell notifications to see when I drop my next video. And until then, peace.